I found out about NADC through doing some research on finding a welding school. I went to a bunch of different schools and looked at kind of what options they had, and then I came across NADC and they blew all the other schools out of the water. I did not know anybody in Tennessee when I first came here, and everyone pulled me in like I was one of them. It was very moving to just see how well they pull around the students and everything that they do for the students. Taking a welding course and actually trying the classes, it changed my life forever because it showed me that there was something for me to do in this world. One of the things that I love about NADC is they teach you the hard skills, but they also teach you the soft skills. So being able to communicate, being able to listen, being able to ask questions, and being able to care. A lot of those things, like they taught me how to just be proud of myself, to trust in myself. After I graduated from NADC, I opened up a welding business. After I opened up that business as well, I got a job working at the school. I am an adult admissions rep. I have the lovely opportunity of putting people in school. A big part of that for me was just hoping that students had the same experience here as I did. I want for other students' lives to be changed just as NADC changed mine.